a cleaning service, looking for red flags, I would say, looking at franchise companies or companies that subcontract their employees can cause a lot of a lack of communication between the client and the cleaning crew, and also the quality of the cleaning control. When a company subcontracts their cleaning staff, it may have less direct control over the hiring, the training, the supervision of the cleaners. I would say, looking out for red flags with that, just if a company comes in, rushes through the building prior to starting the building and says, okay, we can do this, we can do this, we can do this, you really have to take the time ahead of starting of your cleaning to take a full look at the building, find out the needs of the client, find out areas of concern with either past cleaning companies or if they're starting brand new, what do they really want done? And then you have to build a specification directed towards exactly what they're wanting, and then we can kind of go from there with the specification on building that into our software program where we can track those things with our inspections and make sure everything's being taken care of 100%. Referrals are a major part of our business. It is our number one way of taking on new clients and starting new clients. We are completely, almost 100% referral based right now, which is fantastic. But yeah, it's great. It's important. And we love it. We've talked about this a little bit, but we do have our construction division where we're able to kind of try out our employees on our construction cleans, make sure that they are, number one, good cleaners, two, that they show up on time, just have good attitudes, communicate well, and then those individuals we can place on permanent positions for our permanent buildings. And it just gives us a little bit of a leadway. You just know what we're starting on this new client, making sure that they're close to the building proximity, making sure that, hey, this person's a good cleaner, they've learned our chemicals, our equipment, they've had the previous training on the construction cleans, and that kind of gives us a leg up when starting these buildings.